Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on this 4th of July, we not only remember the dreams that have created Disneyland, we honor the countless dreams that have inspired the history of this great nation. Walt Disney stated his patriotism with these words: "Tomorrow will be better for as long as America keeps alive the ideals of freedom and a better life." So lift up your dreams, America, for a beautiful and golden tomorrow.
America, spread your golden wings, sail on the breeze wind across the sky. Spirit free.
Can do for your country. My fellow citizens of the world, ask not what America will do for you, but what together we can do for the freedom of man.
I have a dream this afternoon that the brotherhood of man will become a reality in this day with this faith.
3 feet down, 2.5. Return to bed.
And now, we salute America, the land of the free, the home of the brave, and our nation of unlimited possibilities with a star-spangled spectacular. continue to be inspired by the spirit of America.